Respected all dignitaries in the conference and from coating industries. I thank Mr. Sudhanshu and his team for organizing such a platform for coating systems and inviting me. I thank them. So coating effectiveness for production of oil and gas assets is a very big challenge for us. So I will come to what is our background, then coating cases, the challenges and new generation coatings, what we are anticipating. Next. See, the process of oil extracting and transporting oil has been always challenge for the operators. Over the years, the advent of the new technology have found the improvements in upstream and midstream process and ability to extract the produce of oil gas from more challenging environment. Oil and ONGC is a premium PSU engaged exploration and production of oil and gas. Most of the infrastructure used for the drilling, lifting, processing, transportation of these commodities are made of the carbon steel. You see, now still the carbon steel is still a most reliable. No technology still has replaced the steel because of its strength, ductility, and that is the melting point and temperature. That is the steel is used. None of the material could replace so far the steel. ONGC is the same like other oil and gas company, is facing new challenge in production, transportation of from remote onshore installations, offshore installations, and more unconventional oil transporting through pipeline, hence processing, transportation equipment, process. These opportunity feedstocks, new corrosion challenge are appearing. Essentials of coating, painting, and lining to prevent the control corrosion for the components of installation, onshore, offshore, pipeline, underground is of prime importance to the ONGC. The coating cases. See, coating used for above ground storage tanks, we are using a coat of two components, that is inorganic zinc silicate. We are using zinc silicate coating, nearly 60 to 75 DFT coat, plus one coat of two component epoxy zinc phosphate primer cured with the polyamine hardener at the 40 mm DFT per coat. Two coat of high build epoxy finish coating cured with the polyamine hardener at the rate of 100 micron DFT per coat, plus one coat of two component, that is acrylic polyurethane finish paint at the 40 micron DFT, that is two coats, nearly it comes to 240 DFT. So our temperature is minus 14 to 80 degree and surface preparation required is the SSPC SP10. So what are the limitations in our systems? That is brittle over time, aging with the both exposure to ballast water and the hot and humid conditions, high surface finish requirement through GURD and water mix blasting for reuse. Induction time is very high. Cases are there where the coating is ineffective in claimed temperature range. Frequent maintenance required, poor result in case of low dew point applications. Coating used for to protect the pipeline. In past, the coating applied in the was asphalt coating, which we have replaced totally now with the 3-ply coating. That is fusion bond epoxy plus 3-ply of polyurethane. See, onshore offshore pipeline we are using 3-layer polypropylene coatings, fusion bond epoxy, and multi-layer composites are also being used, which boast excellent temperature and water resistance, are flexible and strong enough to withstand the effect of pipeline movement or the impact from the external depth. So application, besides the selection of an effective coating material, its application is equally or even more important to produce a good coating system. Surface preparation, preheating of pipe surface, humidity, etc. are the sum of the many factors to be addressed in the coating application process. Now the challenges, what are the challenges with our industry? Next. So increased amount of corrosive agent from the old oil fields. So ONGC is producing almost 300 plus installation in offshore, which are in the sea. Nearly 300 installations are in the onshore also. No, nearly 600. Plus we have refinery MRPL, we have a C2, C3 plant at Baroda, we have Opal, we have Uran plant, we have Hajra plant. Can you invest how much asset we are having to maintain their integrity? So it is a vast. If we complete one installation daily, it will not suffice. At least 2 installations has to be painted every day to maintain the 6 to 700. We have 200 rigs, workover rigs, compressors, huge infrastructure is with ONGC to maintain them from the corrosion. So ONGC infrastructure are aging. We are more than 65-year-old company. So you can understand how much old our infrastructures are. Environmental limitations are there. Mechanical damage to the coating during erection. Once we take the material or any equipment from the plant coated, coating is there. During the transportation, so much damages takes place, and coating at the site, which is not compatible with the original coating, is also a challenge. So maintaining interval of coating in the coating system. Some coatings are we have to every year we have to coat somewhere 2 years. Still, the coating intervals are very short in our so far because of environmental conditions. So, what are the new generation coating? As Mr. Rajesh was also mentioning nanotechnology, and most of the what was in our mind, he addressed most of surface preparation. In our hydrocarbon is very explosive. There is no our installation which is a leak proof. That some emission of oil or gas is there. So there sandblasting or surface preparation is the biggest challenge. So how to paint without surface preparation is very, very much required for us. So smart healing coating is that is what we are looking for. Since I am available with the today quantum of coating system required in ONGC, you can understand. It is not less than 300 to 500 crore rupees annual budget we are having in the coating system only. So very big budget is with us for the coating. Our infrastructures, assets are very sensitive because we are handling with oil and gas.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, Mr. Pandey, you are audible.
Yes, yes. Since I am in the industry experts, so many coating manufacturers are here, and there is an opportunity. They can understand, come visit us, jointly develop so many coating with us. We have done so many coatings. Epoxy coating have come. So many people have come with the 5-year interval coating, but nobody has so far proven to our expectation level.
Thank you, Mr. Pandey. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Tokshi. Thank you, Mr. Sudhanshu Nagar, and everyone.